Join me as I take you on the challenge of building my own empire from scratch. The concept of building an empire is more relevant today than ever before. In a world where we have more people moving to new countries in search of new opportunities, the idea of not just surviving but thriving in a new environment is crucial. It is no longer like it used to be about finding a job or finding a place to live. It is about building a life, building a community, and building a legacy. For many immigrants and entrepreneurs, navigating immigration laws and building successful lives in a new country, it can be a task. From dealing with the complex visa application when I went through, to finding the right business opportunities, the challenges are endless. Oftentimes, it feels like you are just starting from scratch, without a network, without a connection, without your family, without a clear understanding of the local market where you are. It is a journey that requires persistence, resilience, and willingness to learn and adapt. But it's not just the legal order that can be overwhelming. Building a life in a new country also means leaving behind your comfort zone, your support system, and often your family and friends. It is a journey that requires courage, determination, and a strong sense of purpose. And even when you do finally settle down, you are faced with new challenges such as cultural adjustment, language barrier, finding your place in the new community where you are. Despite all these challenges, many immigrants have been able to build successful businesses. They've been able to build careers, and they've been able to build their lives in new countries. They've been able to tap into their passion, their skills, their experience to create something new, something innovative, and something that makes a difference. They've been able to do all that. They've been able to find opportunities where others saw obstacles, and they've been able to turn their immigration journey into a thriving empire. Are you one of them? Let me tell you one of the key strategies for building empire. The first thing is to identify your strengths and your passion and find a way to monetize them. This might mean starting a business, creating a product, a services, or finding a job that aligns with your skills and expertise. It's about finding ways to add value to your new community, to make a difference and to leave a mark. Another crucial strategy that I can talk about is to build a strong network of connections. You need relationships. This might mean you have to attend network events, joining your community group, volunteering to do a lot of things that you care about. It's about finding people who share your values, who share your same vision and your goals, and building relationship with them. This can help you grow and succeed. And that is my story. In addition to all these strategies, there are also a wide range of resources available to help immigrants build their empires. Are you using those resources? From business incubators to mentorship programs, from language classes to cultural adaptation workshops, which one are you going? There are many ways to get support and guidance when you need it to succeed. I still remember the day I decided to take the leap of faith and start my own business. It was a moment of pure terror, mixed excitement and anticipation. I never knew what the future holds, but I knew that I was ready to take up the challenge. A year later, I started generating steady income. I had a team of employees and I was making a real difference in my community. It was a pivotal moment that showed me the transformative empire. That moment changed everything for me. It showed me that I was capable of achieving anything I set my mind to, no matter how difficult the journey might be. It shows me that hard work, determination, and perseverance, with all these things, I can build a life that I love. A life that is full of purpose and meaning. In conclusion, building your empire as an immigrant is not about surviving in a new country. It's about thriving. It's about creating a life that you love. It's about making a difference. It's about finding ways to add value to people, encourage people, and make a mark. It's about being brave and pushing beyond your limits. I want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you're going to be sharing your own experience as you build your empire in the comment section. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more insight and strategies on how to succeed as an immigrant. Bye for now.